Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Norris and I'm posting how-to videos for affiliate marketing and some side hustles I've been trying. So if you are new, hit the subscribe button and make sure you set your notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Here we go. Let me share my screen. All right, so first things first, you're going to come over here to ClickBank and go down to Affiliate Marketplace. This is where you can find all of your products. Okay, you see it over here in the categories, you have all these different niches. And just to save time, I went to health and fitness, and I have already chosen a product and created a pin for it. We're going to see that here in a minute, just trying to save time. So when you're looking for these products, make sure that you do your sort results by gravity. And you want your gravity to be at least 100 whenever you're starting off. Okay, so this right here, this gravity, you want this to be at least 100 when you're starting off. I'm kind of starting to see you also don't want to click just the first product to promote because chances are that's what everybody else did. That's a beginner. So I scrolled down and I found this Lean Belly 3X, newest commission crusher has arrived on CB or ClickBank. So you can see the gravity is 155. And then each conversion, your average is 135. Your initial cover conversion is 135.37. And if there's any recurring bill, you'll see that as well. So you can see here, it's got your affiliate page link here. If you click up here, you actually see what the customer will see. So you can watch the video and learn about it if you would like. And then you click on the affiliate page, and here is where all of your stuff, your information is. Okay, so it goes over the commission structure. You can get your hop links here, your email swipes, and then your terms of services. Now for this video, I'm not using the email, the swipes. I am just cold selling on Pinterest. So in order to do this, you're going to go to generate hop link. You're going to put your ClickBank ID here and then generate a hop link. So mine is this. I agree. Now, if you have a tracking ID, you can put that in as well, but I don't do that. I just go ahead and put my ID in there. Generate hop link. Now you'll notice that this is really big. This is really long. It's not very pretty. So I use Bitly. Over here, you can create your own account. And you see I put it in here. You can save it. And then you can see here, you can track it. Okay. There's my hop link there. Get a QR code. Okay, no clicks because I haven't went live with it yet. So once you get your shortened code or URL, you can come back over here to canva.com. Up in the search, you're going to click Pinterest pin. Now, there are templates here. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I do have Canva Pro because there's a lot more features and templates that are available. If you have just the free version, that's okay too. There's a lot you can do on here as well. So I've actually already created one. You can see here, super simple. I took a couple of little informations or facts from the website to put on here. And then when you go to publish on Pinterest, you choose the board that you want it to go to, you title it stubborn. belly fat. You can, fat. You can come over here and put the description in however you want. Let's see. Where did it go? Where did it go? There's my YouTube channel, by the way. So see here, I just went to the website and I grabbed this information here, straight from the website. Okay. Here we go. Add that to the description. Make sure it looks good. Okay, scroll up. There we go. All right, and then you're going to use your bit.ly link that you created. And then you're going to hit publish now. Now remember, this is not collecting emails. This is straight cold selling on Pinterest. And in my next video, I'm going to tie this to my active campaign so that I can do the email automation, because supposedly that's where you get all the sales, is through the follow-up emails. Now, the other feature that I wanted to show you, of course, like I said, you can hit publish now, or you can come to this little planner and choose a day when you want it to be released. So let's say I want it to be released tomorrow. You can choose the time. And I always like to do it early because, you know, a lot of people wake up, grab their phone and kind of search through social media, look through things before they really like start getting their day over. So I'm going to hit done and schedule post. There we go. Preparing your design. And that's it. It's scheduled. You can see it's going to be posted to my weight loss board on Saturday, May 29th at 5 a.m. So after this video, I'm going to go through this process again, but I'm going to connect it to my email automation. That's what I'm trying to get. That's what I was trying to get out. So thank you for coming to see my videos, and give me a like, give me a comment. What do you want me to see? What do you want me to film? Okay, bye. Maybe.